100 pesos. So yeah. Next available squishy is the spaghetti. And this is for 160 pesos. It will be shown right here. If it can't, yeah. Next squishy is this replica white peach. As you can see, there's like 2 leaves. And it's just for also 160 pesos. It will be shown right here. If it can't, yeah. Next is this face buns. This one is this kind of angry face, that kind of thing. And this is so soft. And has a magnet on the back. It's like so soft. And slow rising. It won't focus. Okay, there we go. Like slow rising. Next is this face bun. This is also soft and slow rising. It also has a magnet on the back. Next is this orange cake roll. Oh yeah, by the way, these face buns are for 60 pesos each. You will be shown right here or 8 so yeah. This one will be 130 pesos. Also reminder guys, this is for only Philippines. This is also for Philippines only, so I'm very sorry if you live in other countries, but I only ship in Philippines. Here's the orange cake roll. This is for 130 pesos. It will be shown right here. Next squishy is this yellow replica cream puff. It has a cell phone stripe and it is not stretchy at all. Here's the back. Sorry if you hear background noises. I cannot turn off the TV because they are watching Little Big Shots. And this is for 130 pesos. It will be shown right here. So yeah. 1, 2, 3. Bing bing. So this is all the available squishies. Right back. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this, and also comment, shout out, or anything to be featured in my next video. As in my previous video, I don't think someone commented, so yeah. Also guys, I always use hashtag SerenaNatics or Serena Squad, so yeah. Also guys, also comment video requests that I can do because I am pretty bored, so yeah. Also guys, also like my previous video. I hope you like, and also tell me how to improve my channel. So yeah. Also don't forget to follow my social medias. I'll just put them in the description box. Also reminder, every time I said follow my social medias, I will not link it because I am using a phone and this is a Samsung, so I cannot pretty much link it, so I'm very sorry for that. You can just search it if you have those because I am very, very sorry for that. So I hope you like this video, and yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.